Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have learned about Power BI service. Today, we are going to talk about identifying trends and patterns in Power BI. Understanding patterns in data is very important because it helps us see how things are changing and what decisions we should take. So let's begin step by step. Identifying trends and patterns means analyzing data in such a way that we can see recurring behaviors or shifts over time. For example, sales increasing every festive season or sudden drops in a particular month. This can be done mainly in two ways through data segmentation and advanced analytics. Data segmentation is simply dividing into smaller groups based on specific criteria. This makes the analysis easier and more meaningful. There are three major techniques in segmentation. They are grouping, clustering, and binning. Let's look at them one by one. Grouping means combining similar data points into one bigger group. For example, instead of analyzing every single country, we can group them into regions like Asia, Europe, or North America. This way, we can analyze larger patterns instead of looking at small, fragmented data. Clustering is a little different. It automatically groups data points together based on similarities. For example, customers with similar buying habits can be clustered together. This helps us identify similarities and differences inside our data sets. Binning is used for numeric values. It means dividing numbers into ranges or bins. For example, if we have customer ages, instead of looking at every single age, we can create bins like 20 to 30, 31 to 40, and so on. This makes it easier to see trends in larger data. Now, let's move on to advanced analytics features in Power BI. These are special tools that help us get deeper insights. Some of these features are reference lines, outliers and anomalies, error bars, forecasting, and AI visuals. Let's understand each of them. Reference lines are simple but very powerful. They are horizontal or vertical lines added to charts to highlight important values. For example, in a sales chart, we can add a line showing the sales target. This way, we can instantly see whether a performance is above or below the goal. Outliers and anomalies are unusual data points that don't fit the normal pattern. For example, if sales suddenly drop in one month without reason, that's an anomaly. Power BI helps us detect these points quickly so that we can investigate whether it's an error or an unusual event. Error bars show the uncertainty or variation in the data. For example, we are showing the average sales per quarter. Error bars can display the range of possible variation. This gives more context and makes analysis more reliable. Forecasting is about predicting the future using past data. For example, if we have 5 years of sales data, Power BI can help forecast what sales might look like in the next year. This is very helpful in planning and decision making. Now comes the most exciting part, that is AI visuals. Power BI has built in AI capabilities that use machine learning and natural language processing. Some examples are key influencers, decomposition tree, and smart narrative. That's it. In the next video, we will see how to implement these concepts practically. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.